Algebra word problem for high school. Problem. A father is 3 times as old as his daughter. In 8 years, the father will be twice as old as his daughter. Question. How old are they now? Here, in the first sentence, a father is 3 times as old as his daughter. Let's suppose the daughter's current age is equal to x. So the father's current age is 3x. In the second sentence, in 8 years, the father will be twice as old as his daughter. So the daughter's current age is x, and in 8 years, her age will be x plus 8. The father's current age is 3x. So in 8 years, the father will be 3x plus 8 years old. Now we know that in 8 years, the daughter's age will be x plus 8 and the father's age will be 3x plus 8. Here the father will be twice as old as his daughter in 8 years. So in 8 years, the father's age is equal to 2 times the daughter's age because the father's age will be double her age after 8 years. So the father's age in 8 years, 3x plus 8 is equal to 2 times the daughter's age, x plus 8. Now we have the equation. We need to solve that equation so we can get the daughter's current age x and the father's current age 3x. The equation is 3x plus 8 is equal to 2 times open bracket x plus 8 close bracket. When we simplify this equation, it becomes 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16. Now we will further simplify this equation. 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16. So we subtract 8 on both sides. The equation becomes 3x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16 minus 8. So 3x is equal to 2x plus 8. Now we further simplify this. 3x is equal to 2x plus 8. So we subtract 2x on both sides. The equation becomes 3x minus 2x is equal to 2x plus 8 minus 2x. When we simplify this equation, we get x is equal to 8. So the daughter's current age is 8 years old. And as we know, the father's current age is 3x. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So the father's current age is 24 years old. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more lessons, like and subscribe.